Okay, let's see this one. We're going to do long division again, but this time with the divisor has 3 terms. So it's a trinomial. Actually, it's a polynomial degree 2, right? Trinomial means 3 terms. And the numerator is polynomial degree 4. So the quotient should be polynomial degree 2, because 4 divided by 2 should be 2. So what do? We're going to make this sign. I need to make this smaller. Okay, let me try to see if I have enough space to write the divider. So we're going to make same thing, make this sign, and move this divisor to the outside of this sign. So which is x squared minus 4x minus 1. Because the divisor is a trinomial, so we need to take 3 terms from inside. So we're going to take these 3 terms. But the thinking is the same. We're using the leading term divided by the leading term. 4x raised by 4 divided by x squared, which is 4x squared. So we're going to write above the third term, 4x squared, right? Because we have a trinomial here, 3 terms. So we're taking 3 terms here also. Now, x squared times this quotient, that's 4x raised by 4. Because later on, we're going to subtract. Once we subtract, those two become 0. Then negative, so we have to do negative 4x times 4x squared, which give us negative 16x cubed. So we write it down under the second term, negative 14x cubed. Then we have negative 1 multiplied by 4x squared. That's a negative. That's a negative. Let me see. Hope this doesn't confuse you. Negative 4x squared. Remember this, I erased all this. Right? So then I subtract this newly, we multiply 4x squared with this divisor, get these 3 terms. So we're going to subtract from the above. The leading term adds up to be 0. And now negative 14 minus negative 16 becomes negative 14 plus 16. So we get 2, right? Negative 14 plus 16 is the same as 16 minus 14. 2x cubed. So that's x cubed term. Then we have negative 5x squared minus negative 4x squared. That's negative 5 plus 4, which is negative 1x squared. Then we'll take the next term down. So that's negative 30x. So same thing, we're going to get rid of this leading term, 2x cubed. So we need to multiply 2x in the quotient. So 2x times x squared give us 2x cubed. Then 2x times negative 4x, that's negative 8x squared. Negative 1 times 2x, that's negative 2x. Then again, we subtract from above. Leading term cancel to be 0. Negative 1, well, this is by default 1, negative 1x squared minus negative 8x squared becomes negative 1 plus 8. So that's a 7x squared. Negative 30 minus negative 2 becomes negative 30 plus 2, that's minus 28x. Then pull the next one down, negative 7. So now 7x squared divided by x squared is 7. So we'll put a 7 in the quotient. 7 times x squared, 7x squared, negative 4x times 7, that's a negative 28x. Negative 1 times 7, that's negative 7. So it's exactly the same as above. When we subtract, we get a 0. So this means this division has no divisor, or means the divisor is a factor of the numerator. So we can write so this is This, okay, we resolve this. We call this rational expression, rational. Okay. So we are simplifying this rational expression. Why we call rational? Because the variable x appears in the denominator, right? So that equals to 4x squared plus 2x plus 7, okay? So polynomial degree 4 divided by polynomial degree 2. So we get a quotient polynomial degree 2.